have a chat with Roger the Bunny?
No.
Maybe.
Oh, maybe you
Maybe
did.
you did.
Sorry. Maybe.
Did I run?
No.
Did I kick a tree?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Did I slap a girl?
No.
No.
Why would you ever?
Why is this so difficult? Why couldn't it be an
Because
easy
it's
game?
so easy, but
And why is
Game, yes.
Why does that have to be me?
Were you guys there?
Yes.
You
You
already
asked that
asked
already.
He doesn't remember.
Hitler was there.
Yes.
Yes.
He
Everyone
thinks
was
he
there.
remembers the dream.
Oh, I remember.
Did I drive?
Yes. You got it. You got it.
No, shut the
You
heck
got
up.
it. You got it.
Shut up.
Did I drink?
No.
He's an idiot. He doesn't have
He
it.
doesn't have it.
I would never
Did I study?
Maybe.
Yeah.
You got it. You
dude.
got it. You
Hold
got
on,
it.
go.
You got it. You got
Did
it.
did I not tell you about my dream?
No.
Same dream.
No.
We already told you to get rid of the dream at the end. Why the heck do you keep bringing it back?
I'm getting excited for him.
Did I
Yes.
you know, punctuate in this thing?
No.
Oh! Did I wrestle an alligator?
No.
No.
Did I karate chop Chuck Norris?
Yes.
No.
No. No. No.
No, he didn't.
No, he did. Like he seriously did this.
He did.